In this video, we are going to see the different layout options for the images, how to crop images in the Word itself, how to remove background of images, and also how to insert screenshots. Sometimes when you open a Word document, you may see an image overlapping with the text like this. This issue can be fixed with the layout option here. First, click on the image. You will see a symbol on the top right of the image. Click on that. Now you can see the different layout options. You can see this image is lying behind the text. That is why it is seen as overlapped with the text. Change this to in line with the text option. Close it. Now you can see the image is neither behind the text nor in front of the text. It is in line with the text and also moves with the text. That is, if you press the enter button, the image also moves with the text. You can also access the layout option by right-clicking on the image and selecting Wrap Text. You can see all the options that we have seen earlier. Choosing the option Square or Tight will bring a picture in between your text like this. The top and bottom option moves the picture such that the text lies above and below the picture. You can choose an appropriate option when you insert a picture to your document itself so that you can save your time spent in formatting later. Let's move on to discuss the crop option in Word. Before that, why do we want to crop an image? Cropping is used to remove unwanted content in an image and to focus on a particular part of the image. For example, in this figure, I want only the picture of this hydraulic classifier in my document. In that case, if I insert this whole picture, which contains pictures of other processes as well, the reader's attention may wander away to these other elements. In such cases, you can crop the image and avoid unwanted parts of the image. To crop an image, you can use Paint, Photoshop, and other similar applications. But an image already inserted in a Word document can be cropped without taking it into other applications. To do that, double-click on the image first. On the top right corner, you can see a crop option. Choose that. Again click on crop. Black borders will now appear on the image. Now click and drag these borders to choose the area you want to crop. Then do a single click somewhere outside the image. You will get a cropped image. There are more options under the crop, like cropping to a particular shape, etc. You can explore these options. Another option available in Word is background removal. Say in this picture, I want the image of these two huts only. If I use the crop option, I will get the huts, but the things in the background like the river, sky, etc. will also be seen. Let's see. Let me do the cropping. By doing cropping, we will get only a part of the image. Okay. Now let's see what happens if I use the remove background option. Double click on the image. On the top left you have remove background option. Click on that. Now simply click on keep changes. Here we will get the huts without the river or the sky or anything in the background. I will show you the image I obtained by cropping just for comparison. If you want to take a screenshot of a window in your computer and insert into your Word document, how will you do it? Usually, we minimize the document, select the screen that you want to capture, hit on the print screen button on the keyboard, reopen the document, and then paste it. But there is an option in Word itself to insert screenshots. For that, select the Insert button and click on Screenshot. Continue to Screen Clipping. Now you can click and drag on the screen to choose a part of the screen that you want to capture as image. The chosen area of the screen will appear as an image in your document.